Hello students, welcome to PRL510. I wanted to briefly meet with you to discuss our assignments for this week. I know there are some new things we'll be doing with submitting the critical assignment. That's a university-wide practice, so I felt it would be best to create a lecture such as this so we can go through that. If you look at the week 8 agenda posted here from Blackboard, you are reading chapter 10 in the Stacks text, as well as reflecting on some of the main things from the course that you have learned. Two major things we have this week is our final exam critical assignment and our fieldwork case study assignment that is due. Your critical assignment is the one that will be posted to TaskStream, which is our new university-wide critical assignment submission process that I will provide some instruction for in a second. So your fieldwork case study should have been started weeks ago, so this is just some review for you that you'll be preparing a 4 to 5 page paper where you are critically evaluating some aspect of a public relation case read from this semester. So in the syllabus it says choose from the list. Actually all you need to do is pick any case study from any of the texts or anything that you've examined this semester to complete this assignment. What you'll be doing is critiquing the case, the public relations case, using the PRSA Code of Ethics and biblical principles of your choice as a form of an analytical assessment. So you'll take the case study, look at the PRSA Code of Ethics, find some biblical principles, and decide what ethical measures were utilized or missed within the case study you are evaluating. So within this, you will create a 4 to 5 page paper sharing your details from that analysis, as well as at least a 4 slide PowerPoint voice thread that provides some voice elements to it to explain your case study and justification for your analysis to the course or to your course mates. So please make sure that you turn in the PowerPoint no later than Friday, so that way we have plenty of times for students to reply. As you know, this is week 8, so we have firm deadlines on everything as we do every week, but the course ends, just so you know, Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. and I turn in grades by noon on Monday morning. So you do need to know there is no wiggle room. There is nothing that I can do for technological issues or anything like that. So do make efforts to get everything in before Sunday, so that way if we have to troubleshoot any issues, we can do so on Sunday. Otherwise, I will be submitting grades Monday morning regardless of what's there or not. So like I said, for this fieldwork case study is taking any case study from the course that you've read this semester that you've enjoyed or thought that you might want to look at ethically, compare that to the Code of Ethics as well as some biblical principles, write a paper about that, as well as prepare a presentation of that as well. So in your critical assignment, excuse me, there, put myself right there. So within your critical assignment, you can see that it's an essay-based assignment. What you're doing is choosing a business or a nonprofit. Many of you have reached out to me to talk about your topics already, which is perfectly fine, and we've nailed down some good choices. So go with that if you've already done that. If not, you do not have to contact me, but it's definitely within your interest to get in touch with me to let me know so I can help you if there is need there. Anyhow, you'll choose a business or nonprofit and for this essay and provide a link to the website within all of that as well. Write an essay and explain how you would like to conduct research to inform the course of a PR plan. So what you'll be doing is creating this essay will be looking at all the research you would do and utilize for this group or this business or whatever it is to then determine how you would develop a PR plan. We're not creating a PR plan, we're just writing an essay about the research that would be conducted. So one, you'll include a detailed explanation of 1 or 2 of the modes of research and provide citations from the text. Go through and list goals and things like that for the business. The next thing you'll do is explain 2 courses of actions you might recommend based on the results of your research. 3, provide a plan for evaluating and measuring the results. And 4, include some kind of inspirational quote or scripture that supports it. The entire thing is only 1,000 words to 1,500 words. That word count has been significantly reduced, so do keep that in mind. You only have to write a minimum of 1,000 words. And that is due via TaskStream. TaskStream is our new assessment and grading procedure for all critical assignments across the board at any online and professional studies course at CBU. There is no exception to to submitting it to TaskStream. If you do not to submit it to TaskStream, then you simply will not get credit for it. I cannot accept your critical assignment via email. There's nowhere to put it in Blackboard. The only way that you can submit a critical assignment is through TaskStream. Here's a copy of the instructions that are found in Blackboard, and in Blackboard there's also a PDF with screenshots of what to do to how to submit your critical assignment. So with that, you'll need to use the link that says submit critical assignment here. You'll click on it and an item will open within the Blackboard module. It'll ask you to agree to use TaskStream. You don't need to log in or anything like that. TaskStream works off of all of your CBU credentials, so all you need to do is agree to the user agreement, and after that you're good to go for the rest of the time you use TaskStream within your program. Once you do that, a link will populate for the critical assignment for this course. Verify that it's the right link, that it's for PRL510 critical assignment. Submit your click work, select attachments. Remember, the only way that you can submit any of this to TaskStream is via an attachment, and that's a Microsoft Word document, some form of that, .docs, .doc, .rtf, or a PDF, .pdf. Upload it from your computer, either by dragging the document directly into the box or click to add files. Click upload and close, click save and return, and click submit work. If you do not click submit work, I will not get your critical assignment and it will not be graded. What I'm saying here is you can go through all of the measures and upload it to TaskStream on your end and in your TaskStream account, but if you do not submit work, it never will get to me. So you do need to make sure that you do that. This is a new procedure going forward, like I said, for all of your courses within your program. It's something that we've adopted university-wide, so please make sure that you upload that via that way early on in the week, so if you have an issue, we can work it out. Again, reviewing the agenda, you have your final exam critical assignment and the fieldwork case study due this week. If you have any questions, let me know. I pray you all have a blessed week.